Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we invite you to step into a world of porch enchantment and discover endless possibilities for transforming your outer space. Join us as we explore our myriad porch decoration ideas that will breathe new life into your front or back porch. Our channel is your ultimate source of inspiration for creating stunning, inviting, and unique porchscapes. From seasonal decorations to timeless styles, we cover it all. Our team of passionate decorators, and enthusiasts are here to guide you through the process, providing you with tips and tricks and step-by-step tutorials to make your porch dreams a reality. Immerse yourself in the Porch Chronicles, where we share captivating stories of porches that have been transformed into magical retreats. Unleash your creativity as we unveil stylish decor ideas from charming furniture arrangements to vibrant color palettes and eye catching accessories. With each video, we bring you a visual feast of porch perfection, showing you how to create welcoming entryways, cozy settings areas, and delightful outdoor nooks. Whether you are a beginner or a seasonal decorator, our channel caters to all skill levels, offering practical advice, budget friendly solutions, and type projects that will elevate your porch to new heights. Join our growing community of porch enthusiasts, engage in lively discussions, and share your own porchscapes through the comment sections. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Porch Inspiration. So, if you are ready to transform your porch into a heaven of beauty and relaxation, you have come to the right place. Get ready to unlock the potential of your outer space with our YouTube channel dedicated to porch decoration ideas.